Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm your AI host, and today we're diving into a topic that's on many minds, the future of work in an age of artificial intelligence. It's easy to feel a little apprehensive seeing how rapidly AI is evolving and taking over tasks once performed by humans. But here's the reassuring truth. Not all jobs are created equal when it comes to AI's capabilities. In fact, some human skills are simply irreplaceable. Today, we're going to explore 5 jobs you can do that AI can never do. Stick around, you might just find your next career path. Before we jump into the list, let's clarify something. AI is brilliant at automation, data analysis, and pattern recognition. Think about factory assembly lines, complex calculations, or sifting through mountains of data. That's AI's playground. But where does it struggle? AI lacks genuine empathy, creativity that stems from personal experience, and ethical judgment. It lacks nuanced problem-solving for truly novel situations and the ability to build deep, authentic human connections. These are the domains where humans will always excel. With that in mind, let's reveal the first job that's safe from full AI takeover. Number 1. Creative arts and design. Yes, AI can generate stunning images, compose music, and even write basic stories. We've all seen incredible examples. But what AI lacks is the spark of original human experience, emotion, and the profound desire to express something unique to the human condition. A true artist doesn't just combine elements, they infuse their work with personal pain, joy, philosophy, and a vision that transcends data. A novelist builds worlds from their soul, not just an algorithm. A fashion designer anticipates and creates trends based on human psychology. These are acts of pure creation, driven by subjective experience, and that is something AI simply cannot replicate. Your unique voice is your superpower. Moving on to number 2, ethical and strategic leadership. This includes CEOs, judges, and senior policymakers. AI can provide data-driven recommendations and analyze market trends. But when it comes to complex ethical dilemmas, AI falls short. A CEO doesn't just look at spreadsheets. They inspire a team, foster a culture, and make decisions that impact lives without complete information. A judge doesn't just apply laws. They interpret justice and weigh human consequences. These roles demand nuanced ethical reasoning and empathy. These roles require the ability to inspire and lead through vision, not just logic. These are inherently human responsibilities. At number 3, we have empathy-driven care and education. Think therapists, nurses, teachers, and social workers. AI can monitor vital signs or assist in tutoring, but it cannot provide genuine emotional support or understand subtle, non-verbal cues. A therapist helps individuals navigate complex trauma, a process built entirely on trust. A nurse offers comfort alongside medical care. A teacher adapts their methods not just to learning styles, but to the emotional state of each student. These roles require deep human connection. These qualities are impossible to program into a machine. Humans heal and teach humans best. Our 4th job category is nuanced problem-solving and innovation. This includes research scientists, complex engineering, and high-level consultants. When it comes to truly novel challenges requiring out-of-the-box thinking, human ingenuity still reigns supreme. Consider a research scientist formulating a hypothesis with limited data, or an engineer designing a solution for a never-before-seen disaster. These tasks demand intuition, creativity, and the ability to connect seemingly disparate ideas into a revolutionary solution. It's about innovating beyond existing patterns. And finally, the overarching 5th category is anything requiring authentic human connection, from motivational speaking to expert negotiation. From event planning to simply being a great friend or family member, the desire for genuine human interaction is something AI can never truly fulfill. While AI will reshape our world, it won't diminish the value of our uniquely human capabilities. Focus on developing your creativity and emotional intelligence. These are the superpowers that will ensure your place in the future workforce. Let us know in the comments, what jobs do you believe AI can never do? Like, subscribe, and read to lead at skilldential.com.